I've been using poly blades for about 4 to 5 months now, and man, I tell you what, I'm really falling in love with these blades. They just do an amazing job on finishing concrete, especially when we're going to stain it. If we're not going to stain it, I don't use the poly blades. We just use a combination blades or finishing blades, just the regular metal blades. But when we're going to stain the concrete, these poly blades, you just cannot beat them. They just do an outstanding job. So I'm going to go show you right quick on this slab. He just went ahead and ran the combination blades, and now we're going back over with the poly blades. You'll be able to see the difference. I mean, it's obvious. You can see the finish on the combination blades, and over there you can see the poly blades. There it is. It's pretty obvious where the poly blades are traveling. It's just a beautiful finish. Man, those poly blades do a hell of a nice job. Man, you don't need to take my word for it. You can see it yourself.